Okay, so we resume our topic for this week, which is optimization or maxima and minima. Technically, this topic, madami siyang use or application in real life, mostly more on economic side. So, okay. So, di nyo na siya napapansin, pero technically, you're doing calculus at some point na yun yan, na hindi nyo napapansin. Nulit ko lang. So, ayun nga. So, better way to explain optimization or maxima and minima is, of course, by solving problems. Okay? So, let's say we have this problem, f of x, x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 3. Okay? Next natin guys, sabi, find the critical numbers. To get the critical numbers, okay, critical numbers, we must get the first derivative. Okay? Okay? So, ayan. So, ayan na. So, solve na natin ngayon yung first derivative niya, which is, di ba? Madali lang yan. 3x squared minus 5x minus 10x minus 8. So ngayon, okay, sir, na-solve na natin yung first derivative. Yan na ba yung critical numbers? No. Yung critical numbers is yung value. Critical numbers, technically, then solve for x. Okay? So to get critical numbers, we must get the first derivative, then solve for x. What do I mean by solve for x? Kunin natin ano yung value ng x dito sa equation na to, which is by, we can do this by FOIL method, by FOIL method, or completing the square, or however you want to get it. Pero yun nga, madali na naman to by trial and error. Okay, so di ba 3x tapos x. Okay, so dahil ano natin, ang middle term natin is minus, so technically dapat mas mataas yung value. Ganyan siya dapat. Okay? So, ganyan dapat yung kakalabasan. Okay? So, yun na yung ano natin. So, yan na yung ano natin. So, x is equals to negative 2/3, and then x is equals to 4. Okay? So, yun na yung ngayon yung critical numbers natin. So, ngayon, paano natin ngayon makukuha? Paano natin malalaman ngayon kung ano yung relative maxima and then relative minima? So, in first derivative, we only get the critical numbers. Next, we must get the second derivative. Okay? So, to get max and minima, okay, we must solve, of course, second order. Okay? So, solve natin yung second order. So, magiging 6x minus 10. So, yan na yung equation natin. Same kanina, guys. Hindi yan yung mismong critical numbers, hindi yan yung mismong relative maxima and minima. Technically, yan yung tool, yan yung equation natin to solve for the maxima and minima. Okay? Which is magiging ganito. So, ayan. So, then solve for x again. So, ngayon, anong purpose ngayon ng critical numbers? So, yung critical numbers natin, doon natin malalaman kung ano yung may maximum value, ano yung may minimum value. Okay? So, first, let's use x equals to negative 2/3 sa equation. Okay? So, magiging 6 minus 2 minus 10. Diba? Ganyan. So, magiging equal to negative 4 minus 10, negative 14. So, technically, by merit of the equation, technically, mukha na siyang minima. Okay? And then, next, x equals to 4. So, 6 times 4 minus 10. Okay? So, 24 minus 10, 40. Max. So, ba natin sabi na maximum and minima? Yun nga, by the value itself. Or, pwede natin siyang i-plot. Technically, by plotting, so, di ko na siya papakita. By plotting this value of x, so, natin malalaman kung ano yung maxima and minima natin. Okay? So, ayan. So ngayon, malalaman natin na ito, yung critical number na 4, yields the maxima, of course. And then this one is yung minima natin. Okay? So, ayan. So, at some point, nag-iiba kasi. Okay? Pero yun nga. Ayan yung working equation natin. Okay? So, ganyan yung optimization problem. So, syempre, may mga nagbabago. Depende sa given equation. Pero, ganyan din yan. So, first, solve natin to and then check natin kung yun yung maxima and minima natin. Di ba? So, next tayo. Next problem tayo. Okay? So, problem number 2. So, next problem tayo. Ito. So, a farmer must fence in a rectangular field with one side along a stream. Syempre, di ba? Much better yung isang side mo is along a stream. No fence is needed, of course, sa side na yon. If the area must be 1800 square meters and the fencing costs $2 per meter, what dimensions will minimize the cost? So, anong dimension yung magiging ano natin? So, first, drawing muna natin. So, much better, di ba? So, kung let's say the length is the longest side and width is the shortest side, much better, yung along side ng stream natin is yung length, di ba? Yung longest side. So, let's say ganito yung drawing. Yeah. So, wari ganyan. Ba't pinapahirapan? Meron naman palang ganito. Di ba? Wari ganyan yung drawing. So, let's say ito yung stream. Di ba? Para ilog yan. Waves yan. Tapos, ito yung fence natin. Okay? So, let's say ito yung fence. Okay? So, ayan. So, as what said sa problem, no fence needed sa side na yon. Siyempre, di ba? Para makatipid. So, makikita nyo dito guys sa problem na to. Ang hinahanap is paano tayo makakatipid. Okay? In what value, in what dimension of the length and the width, we can minimize the cost for fencing. Diba? Which is fencing is around $2 per meter. Okay? So ngayon, next tayo, guys. Okay, so ganyan, di ba? Yan yung working equation natin. So next, technically, next tayo. So, syempre, yung fencing natin, guys, is, ano siya? Perimeter, di ba? So, yung fencing natin, so, yun nga, yung fencing natin is, so, let's say X to, and then Y to. So, yung perimeter, or yung fencing, or yung total length ng fencing natin. P as total length, total, ano ba tawag ito? Paano natin gamitin ng term? Tama, total length of fence na gagamitin is yung perimeter natin, di ba? Matik naman na yun. Okay, so syempre, magiging P natin is equals to X plus Y or X plus 2Y. Di ba? Ayan na. Yan na yung working equation natin. So, yan pa lang. P is equals to X plus 2Y. Next is yung cost naman. Kunin natin yung cost naman ngayon. So, yung cost is equal, of course, 2 multiplied by the total length. Diba? 2 is equals to the total length. So, C is equals to 2, parenthesis, X plus 2Y. C is equals to 2X plus 4Y. So, meron na tayong formula ngayon for cost natin. So, technically, in that formula, di natin siya pwedeng i-derive agad. Okay? Why? Kasi meron tayong dalawang variable. So, kailangan natin siya ngayon muna i-convert or gawin natin siyang in one variable only. How? Paano natin siya gagawin? So, let's remember area. So, we have an area which is equals to 1800 meters squared. Okay? And then, formula for area natin, guys. Hindi magbabago yung area kasi yan at yan yung area natin. So, area natin is around X times Y. Diba? X multiplied by Y. So, ayan. 1800 meters squared yan. Buong yan. So, magiging 18 is equals to X over Y. Okay? So, kayo bahala kung anong i-respect nyo dyan. So, dahil, so ito ngayon, kung makikita nyo sa equation natin, much better So much better yung y natin, yung ano natin, kung nating value. Kasi mas magandang palitin natin yung y kaysa palitin natin yung x. 'Di ba? Kasi yung y natin is dalawa eh. 'Di ba? Kahit humaba yung x natin, kahit umiksi yung y, 'di ba? Kung nagigets niyo yung idea, so with respect to y natin tong equation natin. So magiging x is equals to over, ba't ganyan yan? Mali. Y. Yan. With respect to y. Okay? So magiging ganyan na siya. Yun yung pino-point out ko. Anong respect. Okay? Kasi based sa problem natin guys, 'di ba? Dahil yung longest side natin is yung nasa stream, and dahil doble yung value ng y, much better, mas mababa yung y natin. So doon tayo mag-focus ngayon. Okay? So dapat yung nasa equation, yung matitira sa equation natin guys is yung value ng shortest side natin, which is yung y. Okay? So this one, substitute natin na siya sa c is equals to 2x plus 4y. Okay? So c is equals to 1800 over y plus 4y. Okay? So c is equals to 36 over y plus 4y. So next natin, to get the minimum cost or yung change of cost natin, di ba? Rate of change of cost is need natin siya i-derive. Okay? So magiging, ano na siya? 36 over y squared plus 4. Okay? So yan na ngayon yung working equation natin. Okay? Or negative pala to. Sorry. Diba? Nagiging negative siya kasi VDU minus UDV over. Ayun. Okay? So, ayan. So, ayan na yung working equation natin. Next, from here, di ba, katulad ng ginawa natin sa maxima and minima, to get the critical numbers, we must get the first derivative, then solve for x. So, ngayon, yung mas-solve natin dito, technically, ito na yung ngayon, yung magiging value ng y natin. Magiging value ng y natin, di ba? Magiging, ano na yan? 3, 6. So, equate na natin yan. Paghiwalay na natin siya. Is equals to 4. Ganyan na siya, di ba? So, 3, 6 is equals to 4y squared divided by 4. So, 900 is equals to y squared. So, y is equals to 30. Technically, plus minus 30. And dahil ang topic natin is real life, guys, wala tayong negative with. Okay? Hindi tayo magkakaroon ng negative with. Okay? So, technically, y is equals to 30. Actually, yan na yung final answer natin. Okay? So, ayan na siya. And then, technically, para much better, gawin natin yung second order derivative test natin. Okay? Yun yung pagkuha ng maxima and minima. Okay? So, equate lang ulit natin to. So, magiging ano na siya? Magiging, so, ano ulit natin? So, c is equals to negative or positive 7,200 over y cubed. Ganyan na siya. So, c is equals to, actually 30 ulit yan. So, actually, yun nga. Dahil wala nga tayong ibang value ng y, wala tayong ibang critical numbers. So, technically, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay? So, y is equals to 30 meters, and then x, of course. Ano bang tanong? Ano bang hinahanap sa problem? What dimension? Okay? So, what dimension will minimize the cost? So, wala pa tayong value ng x natin. So, may y na tayo. Yung x naman natin. So, kunin natin dito. Di ba? So, x is equals to 1800 over 30. So, x is equals to 60 meters. Okay? So, yan na ngayon yung dimension ng natin. So, mapapansin nyo guys. So, ayan. So, 60 plus 30 plus 30 equals to 120, di ba? So, ayun. Ayan. Ayan na yung working equation natin. Okay? So, I hope naintindihan nyo yan. Okay, so last sample problem for optimization. Okay? So, a printed page must contain 60 cm of a printed material. So ayan, pinakita naman sa drawing. But there are to be margins of 5 cm on the either side and 3 cm on the top and bottom. Okay? So ganyan. How long should the printed lines be in order to minimize the amount of paper in use? So mostly, ang talagang inaano natin is yung ang ninidid natin is makuha yung ano. So ayan, ganyan yung working equation natin. So first, ano muna natin siya? I-dissect na muna natin. So meron tayong area. So A. Okay, so A. Wait lang, number 3. So meron tayong So ayan, meron tayong area. Okay, meron tayong area nung printed material natin. Okay, so A is equals to XY or 60 is equals to XY. Okay? Ayan, di ba? And then next natin, so ayan lang muna. And then let's say Y is equals, so so sa given problem, wait lang, ako medyo nalilito. How long should the printed lines be in order to minimize? Okay, so dahil Y yung ano, medyo nakakalito tong part na to. Pero ayan, sige, okay lang yan. Parehas lang yan. Okay, so ayan. Ano, magkaiba yung ginawa ko. Okay, tama. Ganun din pala. So, ganun din. So, Y is equals to, hindi, tama. Y, so ganun din. Diba? So, same din nung unang problem. So, 60 over X. Okay? Next, may bago tayong area ngayon. Okay? So, technically, yung pinaka-new area natin is magiging, so, balik tayo sa ano. So, let's try to draw here pala. So, diba? Para ito yung printed area. Tapos, meron tayong plus ano, margin. Margin na tinatawag. Ito pinapahirapan ang sarili. Pwede naman ako mag-ano. Pare ganyan, di ba? Tapos, yung ganyan siya. Okay? Next. So, ito, 5, 5, ito, 3, 3, 3. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ayan. So, ganyan siya, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, yung X natin, ma-add siya ng 5. Okay? So, new area natin, guys, is equal to X plus 10 pala, plus, or multiplied by Y plus 6. Di ba? Ganyan. Okay? So, yan na yung magiging ano natin. Next natin, from here, magiging, so, substitute natin yung value ng Y. So, technically, dito na tayo ngayon magpo-focus. So, dito tayo ngayon magpo-focus sa, ano natin, sa, ano, tawag dito, sa bagong area. Okay? Focus tayo ngayon sa bagong area natin. Okay? Doon tayo magde-derive, doon tayo magde-derive again. Okay? Katulad nung kanina. So, here, kasi need natin, actually, yan ngayon. So, magiging, X plus 10 multiplied by 60 over X plus 60. Di ba? Okay? So, magiging X plus 10, magiging 60 plus 6X all over X. Okay? So, next. Much better, solve na lang muna natin to. Hindi. Okay, ganito. Yan. Ay, wag. Hindi. Wag na lang. Ganito yung ganyan. Mahirap. Matrabaho. Ulitin natin. So, magiging 60 over X plus 6. Next natin is i-fall method natin siya. Okay? So, ayan. Fall method. Alam nyo naman na yan. Diba? So, 60 plus 600 over X plus 6X plus 60. Okay? So, next, ano natin yung 6? So, 6, 10 plus 100 over X plus X plus 10. Diba? So, magiging 620 plus 100 over X plus x. Okay? So ngayon, yan yung working equation natin, guys. So next natin is, actually kahit hindi nyo ilabas yung 6 eh. Pero okay lang din. Pare-pares lang naman yan. So from here, magiging ganito siya. Next natin gagawin is i-derive na natin siya. Okay? So magiging equals to, so a prime is equals to 6, 0, minus 100 over x squared plus 1. Or 6, 1 minus 100x squared. So ayan na yung ngayon. So from here, okay? So ayan na yung ano natin. Okay? So from here, technically, ayan na. Ayan na siya, di ba? Yan na yung working equation natin. Technically, equals to 0 pa rin naman yan. Okay, so ayan. So ayan na yung working equation natin, di ba? Sorry. So kahit ilagay natin yung value ng 6 dito, walang mangyayari. So kahit let's say a prime is equals to 1 minus 100 over x squared. Ganyan pa rin. Okay? Wala namang mangyayari dyan kahit anong gawin natin. So 1 minus 100 over x squared. Yan. Okay? So next, magiging ano na siya? So let's say a prime is equals to 0. Okay? So to get the critical numbers. Okay? So 0 is equals to 1 minus 100 x squared. And then magiging 100 over x squared is equals to 1. And then magiging ano na siya? 100 is equals to x squared. So x is equals to 10. And then technically, we only have one critical number. So syempre, ito na yung magiging final answer natin. We don't have to do the second order, pero we can do it naman. And then technically, second order will become something like this. So second order is magiging ganito na siya. Magiging 1, 2 over x cubed. Technically, ganyan din, di ba? So a prime is equals to, kahit i-solve natin yan by substituting the value of x, magiging 1, 2, magiging 1.2. Technically positive. Okay? So ayan na. Ayan na yung ano natin. So ito na yung ano natin. Kahit anong mangyari, ito na yung magiging maximum value ng x natin. So kung yan yung value ng x natin, so y is equals to ilan? 60 over 10 equals to 6, diba? So x, so nung unit of ano nito? Unit of measurement, centimeters. So x is equals to 10 centimeters, then y is equals to 6 centimeters. Okay? Ano bang tanong? How long should the printed lines be in order to minimize the amount of paper used? So y is equals to 6 centimeter. Okay? So that's all for this ano natin, for our equation, for our problem.